Hello, welcome and greetings to your journey learning Python programming. Today's topic is nested dictionary. In this topic, we will discuss some advanced features with and work with the nested dictionary. Nested dictionary, that means dictionary inside the dictionary. Let's continue with the examples. First, I want to show you the zip command. Zip command is very, very useful when you have a list, okay, when you have a list available and you want to convert the list into the dictionary. And we know that for the dictionary, we need keys and values, okay. We need keys and values, sorry. Okay, so I have a one list with the name ID, and in the ID, employee 1, 2, and 3 is available. And in the value, the particular employee's name is available. So I am using the zip command. And I say ID, comma, value. That means basically it's become a keys and this become a values. And I say zip, okay, and it's converted into the dictionary. And we can see here, it's stored in my dictionary name D. And if I print D, it's showing the key and value. So first list become a ID, and the first value from the second dictionary, it's become a value. The second value from the ID become the keys, and second value from the second list become a value. So using this zip and dict command, we can convert any list into the dictionary. So it's a very, very useful. Do practice. Now, again, I have to take one example. My dictionary name is D, and employee 1, and the one employee name, it's a data, and employee 2, and it's data, employee 3, and it's data. Okay, and if I say print, it's basically display my whole dictionary. But if I say D and the key values, the key value is EMP1. So it's print only the first value for this employee 1. Okay, it's display only the first. But if I want to print my employee 3rd and its age, so it's basically key inside the TV. So we have to use print D, my keys, and the values. I show you one more example. Print. Okay, my dictionary name is D. So first say employee 2 in the quotation EMP2. So it's going here EMP2. And EMP2, if I say print, so what happened? It's print basically employee 2's data. Just a moment. Yeah, it's display employee 2 records. The name is Joy and age is 23. But if I want to print only the name, then again one more square bracket inside the value. So it's a key, it's employee 1. Inside the dictionary, again one more key is name, and it's print the value. Okay, so basically it's simple, it's not too difficult. You just have to go through the keys and keys and keys. Okay, so first key is employee 3, then go inside the keys is name 3. Like this, we can retrieve entire the multiple dictionary. Do the same things, okay, with the get command. Okay, do the same things with the get command. That only the syntax change. D dot my keys dot get, and into the round bracket I say key. The output is same, employee 1 and the name is Ram. Employee 1 and name is Ram. It's a simple one. Now, go to the next example. I want to add one more record inside my nested dictionary. So I have to say D dot new key. Okay, key must be unique. Keep in your mind, okay? Key must be unique. So it's employee 4. And into the curly brackets, key and value. Basically, it's a pair data, key and values. And we say print dictionary. So we can see here 1, 2, 3, and it's my new record will be added there. Okay, so new record would be added there. Now, if I want to delete the data, from the dictionary, then D is equal to my dictionary, D into my dictionary, and I say D dot pop. So what happened basically? D dot pop return this records and it's delete. Okay, it delete employee 2 records, and we see here output there is no employee 2 data. It's just removed from the dictionary. Now, D is equal to employee 1 into the bracket, values employee 2 into the brackets, values, employee 3 into the brackets values. And I say D dot my values. So again, it's again the remove employee 2 data. Employee 2 data. So we can do the same things with pop and delete command. Now, very good examples and very important. If I have an empty dictionary and if I want to add something, how can I do? D, key and value. Key and L value. And we can see here, let me add one more, my dictionary name, which key I want. I'll give you some other examples. And the value, anything. Okay, you can write anything. For the good example purpose, I'm just writing 0, 1 and 2, but basically you can write anything. Okay. It is possible. Alright. So the dictionary name into square bracket key equal to and the value. Now add the data. Again, my dictionary is empty. I want to add the data, but this time I'm using the for loop. Basically the syntax is same. D and the key equal to and the value. But this time I'm using variable here and equation here. So it solves this variable, replace the variable with the value and solve the equation. So for x in range 1, 5, so dx is equal to d multiply x. That means basically it's a d multiply x. So it's 2. So it's a 2 raised to 2. If it's a 3, it's 3 raised to 3. Okay. Now what happened here? We can see it's print 1 and 1, 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3, and 4 raised to 4 value. If I use here only the 2, so it's print square for the each number. Okay, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and 4 square. You can add more number here. And I just want to double. So I say x plus x. So just double the value. Okay, just double the value. Okay, so what happened here? First x is 1. The key is 1. It's just double the value, x plus 1. That means 1 plus 1, 2. Right? The same things I'm doing in next example with the string. Okay, with the string. Again, dictionary is empty. I'm retrieving the data from the word read. So what happened? First is R, second is E, and in third time it's a D. So basically it's replace R. And don't forget this string multiply number. That means that particular string repeat 3 times. So what is the output? R, because it's a 3, E, E, and D. If I'm changing here 4, just multiply the number. Okay, so I value is R, so it's print 4 times R. Okay, so we can do anything with the dictionary and the string combination. So what basically happens? I fill dictionary data, insert my data in dictionary using this 2-line statement. One is a loop and second is a key and value. Now, I want to add the data from my this list. Okay, this time I'm using this list. Okay, and I'm using this comprehension. Okay, this is dictionary comprehension. So this loop output is for I in L. What is the output? First is a red value, and second is yellow value, and the next time is a green. So basically I say key and value both are same. So key is red, value is red, yellow and yellow, green and green. Okay, why? Because I is red first. And if we want to check, we can do the same thing with the simple for statement. If I say for I in L, and I say print I, so what happened? It's print red, yellow and the green. Okay, it's print red, yellow and the green. So that's why I colon I, that means, and I'm not using round brackets. Must careful, I'm using curly brackets. Okay, and just watch that carefully. I'm using curly brackets. So red and red, yellow and yellow, green and green. Now, in the next example, I'm just change little bit. I want print key in lowercase, colon sign, and value in a uppercase. Key in a lowercase and value in a uppercase. So red is in small and upper is in key value is in upper. It's a key and value, key and value. Okay, good. To understand this concept more in detail, you have to know how to look very deeply, basic understanding of dictionary, and then you can understand this video in very deeply. And I just convey the message whatever I want to teach you here. So if you are feel little bit difficulty, go and watch our previous video and then come back to here. Then it is very helpful more in details to understand this concept. Now let's go to the next examples. I have a dictionary. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a key, and some different color name as a value. So I am retrieving the data here. So again, I tell you that's right. What happened here? Okay, if you are new in this video, then I show you one more time. Okay, if you don't know what happened here, for I, j. Why? Because when I'm telling dictionary dot items, it's display two values, key and values. Key and the values. So that's why I'm using two variables, I and j. So I store the key and j store the values. Okay, so what happened here? My j become a key and 1 become value. So in short, what happened? It's just mapping, reversing the loop. So my key is becoming a value. It's again the interview question and exam question. So my key become a value. Okay, and now my value become a key. Okay, it is very good examples. In next example, I just show you right now. Okay, in the next example, I use enumerate just it, and then I say 0 and rate. So what basically happens? So my L is just replace the index. So just run it, and it's display L as it's my list. Okay, so I basically start from this 0. So my key is 0, and J is my first value. Okay, and then 1, and then yellow is my second value. So you just run this program for better understanding, then you understand more. Okay, so what basically I'm doing here, I'm just retrieving the values from the list, and using enumerate, I'm just assign 0, 1 and 2 to my as a key value. If I'm adding here one more color in my list, okay, it is my list. So it's become a 3 and 2. Okay, so this is very useful questions and very useful practice for nested dictionary. See you in the next lecture. Keep learning. Thank you.